Hi, Charlie Roadman here, Austin criminal defense attorney, and today I want to talk about the 32-hour DWI Intervention Class. Now, this is a class that's typically for people that have been arrested a second time for a DWI. However, there are some scenarios where this class is required. For example, if they see a lot of what they would consider red flags or indications of an alcohol problem, they'll sometimes go straight to this class. The first level is the 12-hour DWI education class, so this is the second level class, the 32-hour DWI intervention. Now, the format is that the classes can only be 2 to 3 hours long, and they can only do the max 2 a week. So what that means is this course is typically 6 to 8 weeks long. Now, there are between 3 and 15 students in each course, and you're allowed 2 excused absences, but they have to be made up. Okay. Now, post-pandemic, a lot of these courses are allowed to be on Zoom now. Okay, so some programs may have them in person and some they'll be on Zoom. You should be able to tell from the website when you're logging in or signing up for it which one it is. There are still strict rules even while you're on Zoom. You have to pay attention because at the end there is a test. And if you fail the test, you don't get the certificate and you have to do the whole class again. Okay, so you can't just sleep through this. Now, the good news is my clients, even the ones that are most resistant to doing this, end up liking it, okay? They come out of it and they feel better because the program, it's led by an instructor and they're trained in how to get people talking and thinking. And so what happens is people really do process what's going on in their life and how it relates to alcohol and what, things they could do to improve the chances that they don't get in this situation again. So I'm actually a fan of the program. I'm familiar with it, and I think it is a really good program. Now, the different companies that teach this, in Austin, they're 8 to 10, and you just go through and find one that fits with your schedule. It typically costs between $250 and $300 for this course, and they will typically allow you to do payments. All right, I hope this helps.